Okay, so today we're taking a look at our 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero. This one we just picked up from the port. It was a auction grade 4B over in Japan, so it's a really clean example. Pretty much the same spec as some of the other Pajeros we bring in. Majority of them are the 5-door turbo diesel. This is a 2.8 liter 4M40. Timing chain, lots of power, intercooled, with intercooler right under that hood scoop. It's pretty cool to see a functional hood scoop on these. And that's how you tell them apart from the older generation ones with the 2.5 liter. 2.8 gets the hood scoop with the intercooler. So you can see the paint's in really good shape. We haven't even detailed or waxed or anything. This is just how it came. 101,000 kilometers on the odometer, so that's around 64,000 miles, which is super low mileage for one of these. These engines really last a lot longer than that. Part-time four-wheel drive in the form of the Mitsubishi Super Select transfer case. So you can flip it forward into four-wheel drive at any speed under 60 kilometers an hour. This one's a 4-speed automatic with overdrive. Go ahead and start it up. Starts right up, no problem. So you can see the lights there, that's your e-brake light. Shuts off when you let that down. This one does have a turbo timer installed down in there. It also has a really rare option, the rear differential lock. So you can flip the switch here to lock the rear differential when you're in four-wheel drive, which is really cool to see. We haven't had one before with that option, so very nice to have. AC works great, blows cold, no issue there. Engine sounds really good, runs really smooth. Got your suspension adjustment down here, so it's kind of electronically modulated suspension. You've got soft and hard. You can see that adjustment going there. So yep, that's pretty much it. And a little guide to your four-wheel drive setup there. This one does have the full leather interior, so actually I'll move up to the front so you can see condition of the front seats. Pretty immaculate. These don't look like they've been used a whole lot. A little bit of wear there, but yeah, really nice leather interior, very comfortable. Power front seat, works just fine. Rear seats also barely look used. These look brand new. Got large armrests with cup holders built in. And your rear climate controls there. Third row seats as well. You have 2 seats back here. Those ones look brand new, and they fold up out of the way like that, which is really handy. Opens up a lot of storage space in the trunk. Very large sunroof in this one. You can open this all the way up. That slides back. That's a pretty cool option to have. This one was a one-owner vehicle in Japan. You can tell there's a parking sticker there. It was parked in the same spot since it was new. So you can see the kind of storage setup for the headrests. So if they're folded up out of the way, the headrest can go in the back. If not, you can stick it back up in here. Headliner looks great, and lots of cargo space with the seats folded up. Nothing to complain about there. So yeah, very exceptionally clean, and I'll go ahead and open up the hood as well. So there's your intercooler on the top. This one has dual batteries. It's a 12-volt system, but with some extra capacity with the second battery. Your turbo is right down there behind the heat shield. It's super clean in here. It's very, very well maintained. You can see in the back your VIN number plate. There's photos of that on the website if you want to do some research about where to find parts. But yeah, everything in here is super clean. This is really, really impressive. I haven't seen many that are quite this well kept in the engine bay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero, 4-wheel drive, turbo diesel, the 2.8 liter 4M40. Pretty much the same body, or the same frame as the Delica vans, just with a different body, and same drivetrain as well. So yeah, you can find more information on our website, jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. Thank you for watching.